Alright YouTube, so welcome again to the kitchen. So apologies if I look even dopier than normal because I've only had about 3 hours sleep last night. But there we are, mustn't grumble. So today I'm going to be unboxing a tactical racing package, which is the spacers I bought in conjunction with the Brembo big brake kit. Like most people I guess who have wanted to get spacers, whether it's for stance or for a big brake kit, I was doing quite a lot of research online and in forums trying to figure out what size I actually needed. I know with the big brake kit you can download a template to print out, so then you can figure out how much space you're going to need on the front. But what I did, I just asked around people with the same kit. So with the rear, so obviously the big brake kit is just the front. So the rear, the consensus seems to be 20mm because the rear seems quite far into the arches. So I got 20mm for the back, and then people seem to go between 15 and 17 on the front. And a lot of people saying, because I think I'm lowered about 30mm, and people with the same lower in springs were getting a bit of rubbing in the arches on the front on 17s. So I've decided to go for 15s. So people who've got the same big brake kit have said that 15s fit fine. So at this moment in time, I couldn't really tell you because they're not on the car yet, but this is what I bought, and if they're wrong I just have to sell them and go for some 17s. I have got some camber bolts, so hopefully if there's any kind of rub I'll be able to put a slight bit of camber, and then failing that I'm going to go to coilovers probably within the next few months, so at least I can adjust them, make them a little bit higher if they're rubbing in the arches. So no more gibbering, let's have a look in the box. So like I said, these are from Tactical Racing. There are loads of, I think you could get some from Teguar. There were some on the Freaky Parts website as well. But I decided to go for these. I think there was an offer where you could buy 15s and the 20s as one sort of deal. So that was 145, but I found a discount code which was EP3G, which knocked off 725, which was basically the shipping. So I got basically free shipping. So yeah, it cost me 144.75 for all four. Now they did say there was a lead time of 4 weeks, but these actually came in 3 weeks. So that's pretty good. So I thought this time I wouldn't open them at all, and then we can all share the unboxing together. There are two separate boxes. So these are the bolt-on hub-centric spacers. So there, they must package them bolted together, which is all good. So these are the 20mm. So they look pretty smart. Nice and shiny. I don't know what that says. Zont Win. Forged aluminium alloy. Lots of numbers. 20 M12 times 1.5. So hopefully that's the right thread size. Should be, because it says they're for FN2. So yeah, they look pretty smart. Look nice smooth finish on them. Can't complain about that. Yeah, they look really smart. Let's have a look in the other one too. So these ones aren't bolted together for some reason. Yeah, it's weird. These ones came with little caps to protect the end of the bolt part, whereas these didn't. It's also strange that these have got all the text around there, whereas these don't. They've actually got it really small there. So there's 15mm. But then doesn't say the thread size like this one does. M12 × 1.5. No, it's odd. Have a look at the other one. So again, they've got a really nice finish on them. How long it will stay like that? Probably not that long, but at least they look smart to start with. Yeah, pleased with them. I mean, it's not going to be for a few weeks until I actually get to put them on the car, because I've still got to do the power flex bushes, the under sealing, the big brake kit. These will be going on right at the end, but at least I've got them. So thank you all for watching as always. Please like, subscribe, hit that notifications bell, and chuck a little comment down below, and I'll see you for the next one. Cheers.